Hi guys, I'm Mark and welcome back to MavTech. Now yes, you've guessed it, it's that time of year when the iPhones are released. Now we're a little bit later than normal because of the whole C19 situation, but finally they're out. Apple have announced and released their first two iPhones out of the 4 iPhone lineup this year. Yet we're talking about the iPhone 12 lineup. Now over on my Instagram page, MavTech, which I hope you're all following, I asked you what's in the bag. And I gave you 3 options: the iPhone 12, a coffee, or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now before we go any further and tell you what's in the bag, I want you to like and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to build a tech community here that you're all interested in and it's going to keep you coming back for more content like this. Right, are you ready? Let's get unboxing. As you can see, inside the bag we have more than just one product. There's 3 total in there. So you ready to get them out? Let's dump them out in the old good fashioned way. There you go. What are we looking at on the table? We have the iPhone 12 in product red, and it's a 128GB option. We also have one of the new silicone cases to go along with the iPhone 12. These also fit the iPhone 12 Pro, and these again have the magnets in it, which help the last package, the MagSafe, to connect. So that's going to go on that, that's going to go on that. The perfect package to be buying from Apple. Right, let's move the MagSafe Charger and the silicone case out of the way because we're not here to talk about them. We want to look straight at the iPhone packaging. As you notice this year, they're a lot smaller. I've got the last year's 11 Pro Max box to compare it with, and as you can see there, it's literally half the size of these boxes. Well, maybe not half, just a little bit. Say quarter off, but they're a lot smaller because if you've probably heard and you probably know there's something missing inside these boxes. But a quick walk around, like I said, we've got the product red iPhone 12 and it comes with the red iPhone on the sides and the Apple logo on the bottom and on the top in red, which represent the colour. There are 5 colours of these in total, which one is the product red. You get a blue, a white, a black and a mint colour, and whatever option you decide to go for will symbolise on the side the colour is the same as the iPhone in the box. So guys, we're not going to waste any more time. We're going to do what you're all here to see. Last quick look around the box, and again, once again, Apple have made this super easy with these pull tabs. So then literally lift and pull. We get rid of the plastic, and then we're going to open up this box, revealing what's inside the product red iPhone 12. Now, I am really excited about this. I've always liked the squared off design. There we go, quick first look. See the dual cameras there, very flat sides, aluminium, and a new screen protector or cover on the front while it's packaged. Very nice. We'll just put that to side 1 second and we'll show you inside the box, which everyone's talking about at the moment. There's not a lot in here. You're getting your power cable, which is now USB-C to Lightning, and you're going to get a small piece of paperwork, a lot smaller than last time. Product red, bit of information. You get your single Apple sticker now instead of your double. You get a tiny bit of information, and you're going to get your SIM eject tool. So that's what's inside the box. And it's missing the power brick this year, like they've done on the Apple Watch Series 6s, and that's because Apple are moving towards lowering their e-waste across the world. Am I okay with it? I've got loads of power bricks, it's fine, it doesn't bother me. Right, back to this. Are you listening? So satisfying. And there we have it, the iPhone 12. What do you think? It's already, you can see the fingerprints picking up on this already. Let me just quickly wipe that down. Now, one thing I'm noticing straight out the box, the sides are very product red, but this back looks more like a coral almost. Let me compare it. I've got the iPhone XR here, and can you see the difference in the colours? Every year the colours change slightly, but this to me is quite a drastic change in red. It's almost more like the coral from the iPhone 11. They had more than a product red, but the sides are a lot redder. And then if you can pick that up on the camera, sides that seem to be more red than the actual back does, and in the light I suppose if it's darker, but no, it's almost a coral colour. So now we have this new iPhone 12 in product red turned on and installed. I'll play around with the widgets later, but I just wanted to optimize it as a new phone for now so I can show you more about it. Again, like you can see, it's a lot like the old iPhone 4, the old iPhone 5 and 5S, and the original SE. So again, yeah, they've gone back to this square design, which I absolutely love. The power button on the side now instead of on the top like them, but the squared off design in my eyes is just beautiful. It looks really, really nice. It looks clean, and like I said before, it's just really nice to hold. The screen on this is very hard to see, but the edge to edge, it almost looks seamlessly the way it just folds into these new aluminium edges, not like the old, like the iPhone 11 and 11 Pros. They were a lot more. These were a lot more curved. So again, you had there's like a roll off of these where it's just very straight. It's very flat. And I do really, really like the screen real estate on this. I'm very happy with these. But this is just going to be an unboxing video, so I'll show you a bit more around the phone in some B-roll I'm going to do. But like I said, I want to use the phone for a bit before I really comment on what I think. I mean, they're not going to be a bad phone. They're running iOS 14, so again, that's working really well at the moment. It's still a little bit buggy, but overall it's perfect. I'm enjoying the new widgets, which I've set up on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. They've really given a fresh look to the Apple ecosystem and use of their interface. But yeah, the cameras on these, again, you've only got the two lenses, the wide and the ultra wide. There's no telephoto on this, but you can still do a bit of zoom in from the wide and the ultra wide. And you can literally, there we go. That's it. This has just been the unboxing and initial review. So what do you guys think of these? Do you think they're nice? Do you like the new shapes? Are the squared off edges something you're interested in? Or do you like the old rounded edges which are on the older models like the X, the 10S Max and the 11 Pro Max? But no, I'm really liking the 12 first off out the box. The only thing, like I said before, is the colour. It's product red, but it doesn't look as product red before. It's not a deep red. It's more of a coral on this. But glass back design like they have done for the last few years and all of them, so you will need a case on these. Otherwise, they're going to be pricey to fix. And yes, we have got a case here. Let's throw it on really quickly. I went for the black option in this. There are a load of colour options again to go for. And you can just pull the little pull tab at the back. Peel that off. There we go. Put that out of the way. And there's your case. Now, yeah, if you see the ring, which is different in these silicone options now, still got the microfiber material inside, which is very soft. This is the ring of magnets. And there you go. You've got the silicone case that's going to protect the iPhone 12. It's not major protection, it's really more scuff protection and minor drops. I wouldn't want to be testing this from any kind of height, so still please do be careful. But no, they look really smart. It hides the edges a bit more. You can just see the red shining through there. And again, you can get the accessories to these now with the magnets. We do have the MagSafe here. If you have a quick look at the MagSafe, again, nice little pull tab. Pull that open. Here we go. Open this, designed by Apple in California. And there is your MagSafe charging puck. And again, that's just going to sit on the back there. It's even done it through the packaging. So yeah, this is quite strong packaging. You can see that it pulls it on. So yeah, it's pretty strong magnets to do all this, but I do like this. It's going to set you back, as you can see there. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's £39. So guys, first impression of the iPhone 12. The product red colour is really nice, even though it looks a bit more like a coral. I'm really liking the new design. The flat edges just feel nice to hold in the hand. It's give it a new look, even though it's old, if that makes sense. It's taking it back to an old era, but I like the squared off edges. They look really smart, it looks really nice, and it's comfortable in the hand. It feels more grippy, if that makes sense. Like, it's not going to slide out your hand like the iPhone 11 and 11 Pros were, and even from the 10 models were very rounded edges and they were very slippy. But no, I'm really liking the design. I want to use this for a bit before I give you my real first impressions of the actual overall use of the phone. I mean, I don't like having something for 5 minutes and saying, yeah, it's a great screen, yeah, it's an amazing camera. I want to use it and then get back to you. I want to give you an honest user opinion of the devices that I show you. So let me use this for a week, 2 weeks, and then I'll put up another video. So in the meantime, if there's any questions you guys want to know about this particular model, let me know, put it in the comments down below, and I'll try my best to answer all of them in the next upcoming video on the iPhone 12. Right, so I just want to say a massive thank you once again for tuning in here at MavTech. It's really appreciated you taking time to watch the content. Now, if you've got this far and you haven't already, please like and subscribe the video, as it does really help the channel out. And it will allow me to create more content that you guys are interested in and that I enjoy making. Once again, thank you very much. I'm Mark. You've been watching MavTech. See you soon. Bye.